Good morning, everyone. It's Tiffany. Welcome back. So this morning I have reveal number 6 to my Baking Spirits Bright group swap. This group swap is a make one, get one, or make two, get two. And the theme was a Christmas baking theme. And the requirements were to make 1 memory dex card, 10 die cuts, something beaded, like a dangle or a beaded pen or pokey tool, 1 shaker embellishment, and 4 handmade items of your choice. And everything was to be packaged nicely into a tote bag or just some kind of creative packaging where everything, is just together. So it's not, just in a box. So today's reveal is from my friend Meeka, who is Meekaboo32 on YouTube and Instagram. And I'll link all her information down below. So this is take 2 for this video. I had started this video yesterday, and then we had a solicitor come to the house and rang the doorbell, and then my dog went crazy. Lately, I haven't been stopping my video if he barks because it's really short, but he was nonstop because the doorbell just sets him off. So I had to stop the video because it wasn't good. So I'm going to start over. So Meeka, she sent me this card. So I have a card from her. So I'm going to open the card. And I really love this envelope, tie-dye envelope. I love the colors. It's so pretty. And I love how she cut out my name with an alphabet die. It's super cute. And here she made this cute card using My Creative Time Gingy. And I think that's the My Creative Time stamp. And I just love the paper here, and I think that is also My Creative Time. So cute. And she sent me shipping, and here's a note. And so it says, Tiffany, life is better with you in it. I have truly enjoyed getting to know you. You are kind, attentive, and you pull no punches. I admire that about you. Thank you for hosting this swap. I enjoyed it. Crafty hugs, Shamika. And again, it's Meekaboo32 on Instagram and YouTube. Well, Meeka, I love talking to you too. We've really became close friends, close crafty friends, and I really enjoy our conversations as well. We talk like almost every day, I think. I think we do talk every day. All right, so this is her swap. So she made 1, and she used I think this is the KS Craft tote bag die, which is so cute. I have not cut my die out. I'm so bad, y'all. Like, I buy KS Craft. I usually buy her monthly releases, and I just have so many. I haven't had time to cut them all, but I will eventually. But I really love this. It's actually a really good size. Seeing it in person, like made, it's really nice. So here in the front, she used the KS Craft Gingy Girl, and I love how she decorated the Gingy with the apron and the peppermint bows, and she put a cute little beauty mark on her. Super cute. So she decorated the front of her tote, and then in the back it says Sweet Christmas Wishes with that nice pink foil paper. So on the sides here, there's 2 pockets. So this pocket on the left, she has some of her die cuts here. So this is the cutting board. And again, this is also KS Craft. And she made 2 cutting boards. And this is Baked with Love. Super cute. Nice and sturdy. So the paper collection that she's using is the one from Michael's. I think it's called, I don't remember. I knew it yesterday. I have it right here. Sprinkle Shop. That's right. So this is the Sprinkle Shop collection by Recollections. And then in this pocket, here's a cute tag. Again, using the My Creative Time cute Gingy. So let me open this. Look at how cute he is. So it's a tag. You can write your message in here. She has that cute like fluffy trim, a nice hot pink fluffy trim. So you're gonna get a tag. So that's on the right side pocket. And then in the front of the tote, there are 2 pockets here. And so behind the Gingy, she has 2 goodies here. And these are the rolling pins. I believe these are KS Craft too. And so she used foam, thick foam. And here she left it, obviously, you know, plain, so you can embellish it how you'd like. So these are super cute. So there's 1 in each pocket, okay? So I'll put that back. So let's start with her goodies. So on the side here, oh, this is her pokey tool. Okay, so she made a beaded pokey tool. And here she has some trim. It says, wishing you a Merry Little Christmas. And let me just take the pen out. Look at that. Look at how cute that is. Look at that cute Gingy. So you have that cute gingerbread. She made it a bow out of gingham ribbon. And then all her bubblegum beads there. And then it has a stopper. That is so cute. Your partner's going to love it. All right. So that's on that side. And on this side here, she made a keychain, a beaded keychain. So this must be one of her handmade items of choice because we were only to do 1 beaded project, but she made 2. So look at that. Look at that cute gingerbread boy and that snowflake bead and this fuzzy bead, pom-pom. That is so pretty. I'm not good at picking up beads. I think that's my problem, why I don't do well with my beaded projects. I get so overwhelmed with so many, there's so many beads to choose from, so many designs, so many sizes. I just get so confused. So I put it back there. And then she has a whole bunch of goodies in here. So let me just take these out. And then we'll go over them one by one. All right, so this first set here is shaker cookies, and this is from the KS Craft release. I believe it was last month. And so here she put official cookie tester. And here are the shaker cookies. Look at that. So pretty. I love all her elements, all her shaker elements in there. Super cute. So we have 2 shakers in here. So let me just put this back nicely. All right. And in here, this is a shaker oven. Again, this is a KS Craft die. We were making this together one night. So this is so cute. Look at the glitter oven mitt. I love it. So that's the 3rd shaker. And then here, look at this Christmas pudding. I love this. Bless you. That was my dog Kona, he sneezed. And she put highlighting on the pudding. This is so cute. So this is stuck, so I don't want to take that out and mess it up. But here she used a cute little Gingy on her bag topper. The time of year filled with cheer. And there's the Christmas pudding die cut. So cute. And this one is so pretty. So this is part of the newer KS Craft release as well. And this is the hutch. I have this, I haven't cut this out either. But this hutch is so pretty, and it comes with all these pieces here. So there's so much detail if you cut them all out like she did. And you know, she put it all the bowls and the scale, the cups, the mixer, and the cake stand on the shelves. It's so pretty. She used double-sided paper, and it's very sturdy. So this is really, and it's a nice size. You can put it on a card. Use it as a tag. So many possibilities. So you get that. And in here, it's the cookie sheet with the cookies. Again, I believe this is KS Craft. Sweet Holiday Wishes. She used that cocoa cup on the top there. I think this, it's stapled, so I don't want to pull it out. So I'm sorry for the glare, but I want her partner to be the one to, you know, rip it all apart. So that's the cookie sheet with the cookies. And in here, look at these pies. Aren't they the cutest? I love the glittered, like the frosting on the top. She used the silver foil for the pan. Those are so pretty. So that's more die cuts there. This one here, so this looks like these are mixing bowls. I believe I can take this one out. Let's see, yes. So she used a cupcake banner here, the cute nutcracker. And here she made 2 mixing bowls. You have the spoon, and she made the spoon into shakers. She has seed beads in there, which is so cute. So it's actually separate. So it's, you have the mixing bowl, and this is not attached to the bowl, so you can use that together or in a separate project. So that's nice. Let me just put it like this. So I know my last video was kind of long because she just gave so many things. I'm trying to show everybody's work and talent. So here she gave a bunch of these are, what is this, barcode oven mitts, and she gave a bunch of those. This is staple. So this is Scrap Diva Designs. So these are cute. So you get a bunch of oven mitts there that you can use in your projects. Here she gifted a set of bows, bow dies. That is so cute. And here she made a card. This is a shaker. And let me see here. I know it's a card because she told me it was, because we were talking about when we were talking about the cookie jar. So it says, "You bake me happy," again with the My Creative Time Gingy. I love how she created a shaker out of it. Everything's very nice and dimensional. And then you open it up and you can write your message there. So that is so cute. Really cute. Again, another die that I have yet to cut. I think I'm going to work on that today with a million other things. And here she put her sticker here, handmade by Meeka. Again, Meeka Boo 32. Here she has a card for her swap partner, so I will not open that. And in here she used a rolling pin over a doily for the bag topper, but it looks like she has some sentiments in here, and it's stapled, so I don't want to open it. But this first word is Baking Spirits Bright. I know that. Official Cookie Tester, Baked with Love, and Sweet Christmas Wishes. So it's always nice to have sentiments on hand. So you're going to get that. And then in here it says, "Sending you Christmas hugs." This really nice, what do you call these bags? I forgot. They're made of glassine bags. And this is really pretty because it has a pattern on it. So in here, looks she made an apron. And I believe this is also KS Craft. So look at her apron. Isn't that pretty? And it's very sturdy. She put it on 110-pound cardstock. And the back paper is like a very shimmery red paper. So you can also use that for future projects. So that's really pretty. So let me put that in here nicely. We don't want the ribbon to break. And in here, this is so cute. This is the, I'm not gonna open that. KS Craft, her new Memdex die, Gingy Memdex. Look at that, she made it a shaker. Let me just do this. No, you can't see it. Let's just keep it like that. All right. So here's the Gingy, super cute, and she has the Gingy holding a candy cane and a peppermint, and it says, "Wishing you a sweet season." She put a bow on the top, and in the back here, she has a sticker with all her information for her partner. That is so cute. And okay, so that I already went through that. Sorry, I have to package that up. And in here, she has one last thing, but definitely not least. She used the, this is the KS Craft. I believe this is the hot cocoa pouch, if I'm not mistaken. So this has been very popular. I know a lot of people are loving this die. Oops, let me, she enclosed it, she closed it with Velcro dots. And in here, and look at that, she made it a shaker. Isn't that neat? I love that. So in here, she has more die cuts. So here is the cute giant Gingy girl, again from my creative time. Look at her, she is so cute. I love it. She has it on some acetate, which is nice because everything, you know, can always be used in future projects, and we all love acetate for our shakers and pockets. So you get that, and this is baked with love with a mini rosette here. Sorry, that was Kona. And here's another one. It says Baking Spirits Bright. She's using that pretty pink foiled paper. And here are 2 mixers. So let me just show you that real quick. You see those 2 mixers? I love the colors that she chose. It's really pretty. All right, so that's what you'll get in this box here, the hot cocoa pouch box. And so yeah, so this is her swap. I really love everything. Thank you again, Meeka, for joining my swap. I really appreciate it. Thanks for the support. Your partner is going to love everything you created. I'm going to put this back nicely so it's not messed up. Well, anyway, I'm going to stop this video. I'm going to package it nicely. I just don't want to mess it up and keep you all waiting. So thank you all for stopping by. Thanks for watching. I have one more video to work on, and I'm also getting a few more packages today. So it looks like we'll be having videos every day for at least the next 4 or 5 days, maybe 2. So stick around if you want to see everybody's amazing creations. Have a happy Saturday, happy crafting, and I will see you all soon. Bye.